when we're in Africa, we'll go and walk cassava in the farm, carry it in our head, come back. Either if it is red one, we use it to cook. If it's white one, we use it for gari or water fufu or bubble. Africa is not for the weak, same as abroad is not for the weak. So anywhere you find yourself in, you're a strong person. Never forget that. Oh my God, almost cut my hand. Thank God. We have to remove this inside. So this is my first time to eat cassava in Turkey. My first time to eat cassava. Like, I'm literally gonna cook this with beans, like the Cameroon way, you know, plantain, cassava, and beans. Oh my God, I miss this food. I miss this food. Please don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, Lydia TV Show. On Facebook, Lydia Sparkles. On Instagram, Lydia Sparkles Beauty. Thank you. I wore my dress bad side. I had to go and change it. Can you imagine? They hold me. I wake up in the morning. I just carry cloth. I don't even check if it's the good side or the bad side. I just put it on as if I don't have light. As if this is Africa with no light. So guys, as I'm peeling this cassava, I would like to remove this back. I will create is this scrub it or what? Remove it like this so that when you boil the cassava, it's going to shine. It's going to shine. Okay. So my beans is on the fire, boiling. Let me show you guys. Grace. Wait. See my beans. See, the beans is boiling. When it gets ready, we are going to fry it. Yeah. Why? Waiting for it to get ready. That's why I'm peeling the cassava and the plantain. Then I'm going to boil a little bit of rice to put beside it because this my house is full. The guys in this house, they eat. Only me alone self will eat all the plantain and maybe few of this cassava. So home. I miss farming.
Mommy,
Yes.
I want something.
What do you want?
I want Ruby again.
You what?
I want Ruby again.
Ruby? Okay, I'm coming. I'm going to put it. The only thing you know to do in this house is watch cartoon.
I want Ruby to watch a mess.
You want Ruby what a mess?
I did.
So she did a mess.
The Ruby timeout.
Ruby timeout.
No, it's Bunny. Bunny.
Okay, Bunny timeout.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to come and search for it and put for you.
And this one.
Yeah.
Math.
Woo! Before I cut my hand, Grace. Oh yeah. Allah, luckily. Before I chop here my finger now because of too much talk. Pick it and give me, madam.
I didn't like it.
What don't you like?
I don't like having to get my Look.
What is your?
The way the pizza.
I don't know if it's flag a plantain.
I got a sticker in my cheek.
Wash boy. Anyway, let me boy. Yesterday I did fry plantain. So we are done. This is how cassava looks like.
Mommy,
We are going to wash it.
Mommy, come. Mommy, come. Mommy, come.
If you're single and you're watching this, please, all my single guys, una go marry. Una go marry, oh. If not, I go choke una with food for my status. I go choke una hands, you're not excluded. Go and marry. If not, I go starve you for this house for 1 month. The single guys viewing this status, una go marry. Can your wife ever? Seafood. Seafood. Tell me if your husband don't go add like 10 kg. Oh God, I went chop this one nap twins one time.